Hey everyone, Carlo here and welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox and talk about the Nike Epic React Flyknit. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure that you do so because we are giving away a really nice Xiaomi Smart Desk Lamp. I'll put the link down below in the info section so you guys can check out how to join. But to join, you need to be subscribed to the channel, so make sure that you do so. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost, and for the longest time, I've been a massive fan of this particular silhouette. The comfort, the performance is something that I really fell in love with. And for the longest time as well, I've been trying to find alternatives from different brands. This is the Nike Vapor Max in Midnight Fog. Now, I initially thought that this would be the competitor to the Ultra Boost, but as it turns out, this really is on a different league, not necessarily league, or like a different category altogether. The air units are not really comparable to the soft cushioning performance given by the Boost material of the Ultra Boost. Today, Nike launched the Nike Epic React Flyknit, and this is basically the main competitor to the Adidas Ultra Boost. It uses the React technology, the cushioning technology of Nike that initially debuted with their basketball shoes, but instead of encasing it in some other material, they turned the entire outsole and midsole into that React technology. So it's built to be one of the most comfortable performance trainers that you'll ever own. So again, head-to-head with the Adidas Ultra Boost. And before we get to the shoe itself, I just have to say that Nike wins with the most innovative and nice looking packaging ever. So this is actually the box. As you guys can see, it has some sort of spring handle, so when you walk it actually goes up and down. This isn't sponsored by Nike. This is 100% bought by me. So this is the Nike Epic React Flyknit. I've been waiting for this for months, so it's finally nice to finally have it in my hands and later on feet. Now let's quickly go over what we have here. First, let's start with the upper. Of course, it's made primarily from Flyknit. Flyknit is the main comfortable, breathable, versatile, flexible upper technology, knit technology that Nike uses. And if you guys take a closer look, the one here at the toe box is actually more tighter, which is supposed to give your toes more support. But once you go to the actual upper part, here, it's actually more breathable, and if you look closer, you can actually see through it and see inside the shoe. That's meant to be more breathable so air goes in and out while you're walking or when you're running. So again, on the toe box, which is the perfect spot, you want to make it a little bit harder and firmer, but if you go up, then it becomes more breathable. Moving to the sides, we have, of course, that familiar Nike swoosh logo. Now, a nice thing about it is that it's made of some sort of glossy, hard, plasticky material. I think you guys heard that. So it's really nice. It gives it a very premium look, a very premium feel, and we have that on both sides of the shoe. Moving to the back, we have the heel counter, and I don't know if you guys can see it with the camera, but it actually says here, Nike. And if you go to the pull tab, it says there Epic React. Now again, this is hard material to be able to give your heel enough support, especially when you're running. Let's move to the midsole. As you guys see, this entire thing is Nike React technology. And even at the bottom, there's no rubber material that actually protects or encases the React tech. Now, just so you have comparison, let me just quickly pick this up. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost, and while the white material is the Boost cushioning material, if you look at the bottom, they have some sort of rubber black material protecting the Boost itself. This is made so that it becomes more durable, especially if you're going to abuse them thoroughly if you're going on long runs or marathons. This is called the Continental outsole. Yep, the same guys who make tires. So that's the type of rough and durable material that you get with the Ultra Boost. If you take a look at the Nike Epic React Flyknit, it's really all React technology. There's nothing preventing the ground from hitting the React. Now, having said that, I don't have any performance test yet to show if this gets beat up over time, but I'm betting that in terms of durability, then the Ultra Boost probably will outlast and outlive the React, especially when you take a look at the outsoles. But again, that's just an initial impression. We'll have to test it out over time when we use this when we do our workouts and our runs. Now, as I said, it will take quite a while to be able to put together a more comprehensive performance review, but so far, here are my initial impressions. Number one, the Nike Epic React Flyknit is very snug, and it's good when it comes to performance and actual performance, because when you put your foot in, you feel secure, it feels fastened, something that the Ultra Boost doesn't actually deliver, especially if you take a look at the other models like the Core one and even the Stability model. The Ultra Boost is really comfortable. Make no doubt about it. It's probably one of the most comfortable running and fashion shoes out there. But when it comes to performance, or when it comes to feeling that 1:1 feel with your feet, with the shoe, I think Nike has that down with the Nike Epic React Flyknit. I love as to how they made the upper really just act some sort of like second skin to your feet. It really just clings onto it in a 1:1 kind of ratio, something again that you don't get with the Ultra Boost. It's a really good shoe, as in it's one of the best that Nike has ever shipped. Well, at least from the Nike shoes that I've had in the last 2 years, this is probably my favorite, and I've had quite a lot, from the different kinds of Jordans to the Vapor Max to the Air Maxes. This is turning out to be one of my favorite shoes. It's comfortable, it has the 1:1 feel, it has fantastic grip, and most importantly, I think this is one of the most nicest thing about this won't really break the bank, at least when you compare it to the Ultra Boost. This one sells for 7,600 pesos, which is 2,500 pesos less than your average Ultra Boost. The Ultra Boost usually goes for around 10,000. So you get to save money, but you get extreme comfort, a really nice looking shoe, and fantastic performance, a fantastic all-around shoe with the Nike Epic React Flyknit. For the course of the next few days, we will be thoroughly abusing this shoe, and we will be doing more comparison videos with the Nike Epic React Flyknit and the Adidas Ultra Boost. We even got ourselves an Under Armour Hover Phantom and an Under Armour Hover Sonic, both of which we will unbox in a few videos right after this. And there you have it. That's the video for today. Again, watch out for more videos in the coming days. We'll be doing a lot of comparisons, reviews of the shoe with the Ultra Boost and the Under Armour Hover. Don't forget to subscribe to the video because we are giving away the Xiaomi desk lamp, link down below. That's it for now. Peace.